What's going on, guys? It's Jesse at Home Auto Spa. Today I wanted to walk you around this beautiful vehicle. This is a 2014 Porsche Cayman S. Our client has wanted this car for a long time and he had the opportunity to pick one up finally. And so he brought it to us for the best form of protection, which is our Package 3 paint protection film, which covers the hood, front bumper, front fenders, and mirrors, and then the rest of the vehicle in our 7-year System X Max G Plus ceramic coating. And so this package, the reason I say it's the best package is because in my opinion it's the best value, right? It covers everything that you should protect, but it doesn't bite off more than you could chew. This is the package that is on my cars. And so let's start with the film first. So when we do paint protection film, we try to get these edges as close to the edge as possible. And so these edges right here, you see they're right up to the edge. They're not like hanging kind of right here or whatnot. And the reason we do it this way is because any exposed edge, especially on this color, you're gonna see dirt trap up right there. And if it collects, it's gonna look really bad. You're gonna see that line. Another nice area is that on Porsches, specifically that front badge, we remove the badge, tuck the film under, and then put the badge back on. A lot of places they'll just kind of want to cut around the badge, and you know, like, it works, but we really like a clean tuck. And so you see that, no seams on that badge. It looks really, really good. For the paint itself, when we got it in, it wasn't perfect, and so we went ahead and did a full 2-step paint correction before we lay that ceramic coating. And so the paint correction got rid of any type of swirl marks and scratches that were already in the paint. I mean, even look at the taillight too. We polished the taillight as well. That's how you're getting this really nice, intense gloss. And so finally, once we got that finished looking the way we wanted, then we laid our 7-year ceramic coating. The ceramic coating makes it really easy to clean. It adds this tremendous long-term gloss, almost like a fresh wax. And it looks super, super good too after just a basic car wash. And so if you love that new car experience, you don't want to spend a bunch of time every weekend washing your car, waxing your car, then the coating is going to keep that in tip-top shape. And so what's really great is that the paint got ceramic coated, but the paint protection film up front also got the same coating. So you get the best of both worlds. The rock chip protection from the PPF and the gloss, ease of maintenance, and chemical resistance from the ceramic coating. And so if you want this kind of work done on your car, you've got a special car you want to take care of, get this package. Right now we are booking for late March into April here in Carrollton. And if you want this done, I'd love to have you. It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, signing out.